Hi everyone, happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for coming to That's Ashley's Kitchen, even though we are clearly in bed. I'm really excited about today's video. I'm partnering with Purium. They're this amazing organic company. They're also gluten-free and vegan, which is really awesome. I partnered with them to write this incredible Valentine's Day bread pudding recipe. Made strawberries and French bread, and completely dairy-free, even the French bread. So come on, let's go make it. And there you have it, bread pudding for your love. I'm just gonna try to bite it really fast.
Hey, that's supposed to be for me. What the heck? Stormy, get her sicker.
Welcome. Hi, baby.